We just bought a funeral home and have never been inside. So today, you're gonna come with us. So, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Black Cat went under the deck already. Hey guys, so we're in front of the funeral home we just bought, and later in the video, you're gonna hear about what we're actually gonna do with this property. It's about 1.5 acres, and this is located almost like just outside the heart of downtown Mooresville, where we're doing all of our other large developments. So this is a great property for us to continue to improve the downtown. This is the purpose it's going to serve for, which you'll see later, is super cool and serves the community. So we're pretty excited about it. This wasn't purchased to make a ton of money on, to be honest. We paid about $550,000 for the whole thing, plus the land, and the land is really where the value is. But yeah, this is more of like we bought to almost give back in a sense to the community. But we're gonna take you inside, and it's good. Let me just tell you, it's a little spooky in there. So let's go.
How many cats we're about to evict from this place? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
This is a little eerie, huh?
Mm-hmm.
The room that you walk into is a little eerie.
Oh man.
It looks like a kitchen, but it's not.
It looks like a kitchen?
But it's not.
Miller's face right now.
I'm not sure I want to walk in here.
You know what? You know what we ought to do? We ought to make some income this year, we'll do a haunted house.
That's what they said.
Oh, really?
Oh my God.
If
you could do like part of it being drive-through or
Oh, and you
walk-through.
absolutely.
Dude, that would actually be, we're doing a haunted house.
Coming this fall.
Who that follows us is creative and can come do this. Volunteer their time. That's creepy.
We'll fly Maddie out.
See what the
She's
insurance
the expert at
Yeah.
All right,
haunted houses.
who's going first?
You are.
Oh, shit.
Is there electricity or is it dark?
Okay, this is kind of trippy. Yeah, this is definitely not a kitchen.
This is the evolving room.
Hello? Anybody live in here?
Got him!
Dang.
Mm.
Hey, should we do another video? We spend the night in here?
I need a raise for that one. I would not be doing that for free.
Hazard pay? This is actually in pretty decent shape. Yeah.
Yeah?
Just a little pain.
Okay, well that's kind of creepy.
There's a shower.
Whoa, this keeps going too.
Oh,
I'm like seeing things as we're walking through.
I don't.
Here, I'm gonna come back here first. Yeah. We'll just have someone hide in a closet with
Yeah.
the light on and be like, the spirits are here. Look at this, we gotta save this. Oh, it's probably wrapped, never mind.
Where'd Amy go? Amy?
Oh, she's definitely hiding.
Wow. Is there a piano?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Piano and organ.
That was a good one.
Oh, okay, that's weird. Uh-oh.
That's so creepy.
Dude, there was a door literally to nothing.
Dude, Amy's creeping me out, man.
Oh, there's another piano.
Oh my gosh. This
Oh,
is.
Jesus, that's a spider web.
Oh my gosh. Minnie?
Well, shit, we just inherited 2 pianos, too. Yeah. Organ or
Organs.
Yeah. No, we're not in Oregon. Look at this is, dude. This is really creepy. These are blinds to windows to nowhere.
To nowhere, yep.
Is that how it feels when you die? It's just like a window to nowhere.
They probably are.
Whoa.
That's
This
fun.
is wacky.
All right, let's see if there's any hearses in there.
What? Oh, this is just an extension. So this must be the
I
front.
would have known that. I should have.
Wow. Spider webs.
Dude, my whole face.
Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm just like so on edge. So on edge today.
Oh yeah, I know. I just walked through like an entire. Okay, well here we see the light of day. Let us out! So that's where the cats live. We figured that out. We got one black cat, ironically, and one
speckled
other.
cat, calico.
Okay, that's like a. This is really, really odd.
Where's Amy running
Whoa,
to?
this carpet's really soft.
Oh, this is.
No way. We have a steeple.
What?
We inherited 3 pianos.
Copyrighted.
It was the ghost.
Wait, there's another one over there.
Yeah, that's an organ.
Oh wow.
Yeah. How are that?
I'm trying to be sensitive of what this was, but at the same time, like,
This is really cool.
we own pews. I've never owned pews in my life.
Hey, you got a CD of Silent Night.
Oh, beautiful.
Amy's bringing out her like childhood skills over here.
My dad and sister are really good pianists. I hated the piano, but listen,
They wanted you-
you gotta
they
have
wanted you
power.
to do
You gotta. It has the full pedals and everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, so part of what we'll do for the video, also, peeps, is we will show you what we're planning on building here, because it's not going to be this. The property's going to die with the rest of the people that were here.
Oh.
Too soon?
How long has it been out of station for? Out of.
Do you guys know? A couple of years?
Oh no, he's been.
When Mark and I walked in here,
He was
still working.
operating out of here.
They were just.
What?
My neighbor had just died, and she was. They were having her
service
thing. Yep.
How'd they get so many cobwebs in 2 weeks?
Well, it's not okay. 2 weeks might be a little stretch. I mean, how long have we been? So it's more like 6 months.
Yeah.
I'm just messing around, but still, like, this does not feel like there was a business operating out of here that long ago, or that short
ago.
time, because this is in bad shape.
I'm thinking MV2 office.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. That idea is going to die right now.
You can take this one. Mark will sit in
The
here.
puns are going to keep coming this whole time. They're going to
They won't die
they're going to
out.
fall flat on contact. Okay, cool. So we survived. It looks like we survived the tour.
Yeah.
What do you think?
There's a garage too.
There's a garage.
Let's go see if there's any
Look at-
hearses.
Do you remember? Okay.
God.
Those,
Oh,
well,
okay.
that fell off.
Well,
Do you, I remember these. I remember these tours from back in the
absolutely.
day, growing up, going to like friends' parents' houses. And,
mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, they don't do that normally, but okay, that's a hazard. We're gonna move
Watch
that.
your head. Where's the hard hats at?
All right, let's go see the garages.
Yeah.
Jesus, it attacked me. Look at another door to nowhere. Like, this is the weirdest layout ever.
Yeah.
So when you're buying real estate, sometimes you run into things like this. Not necessarily a funeral home, but this is what sometimes houses look like you buy. And you just deal with it. Except this property we knew we were going to tear down, so we didn't even inspect it, did we? No. we just wanted the land. So how this works is we've already been concept designing from day one, right? And then we have a specific plan for this property because we're trying to swap land with the local school district because they have a piece of land that we want and they want to consolidate all their services, and Amy's about to set up to scare the hell out of us. So this we're under constant negotiation with them. We just met with them yesterday. Hopefully that comes together.
We'll see.
So Miller right now, before we go look at the garages, is going to show you some pictures of the concept that Amy put together alongside our architect. And it's basically a 15,000 square foot building, 5,000 feet of floor on the Statesville Avenue side, and then cottage home development right here for affordable housing for teachers and staff. Because one of the needs in North Carolina is the school district in Mooresville especially is trying to get good teachers, but they can't offer competitive pay because the state sets a flat rate. So whether you're working in Charlotte or I'm sorry, Mooresville, let's call it, or butt effing nowhere,
Yeah.
you're getting paid the same. So a lot of the good teachers that are coming here are going elsewhere because the cost of living's lower. They get paid the same. So one of the ideas we came up with was, hey, since you can't offer them more money at the school district level, how about you offer them an affordable housing option to house them for a year or two, to incentivize them to come to your district, and then they can plant roots and do all their things and then move on, and then you can keep that cycle going. So that's part of the way we're designing this site. So far, they seem pretty open to it.
They
So
don't
we'll
want the
see.
site yet. I'm just kidding.
So 8 cottage homes, really cool, like really nice streetscape. Or we can go up 3 stories up to 19 or 20 units,
Yeah.
plus the commercial. This is per the zoning. And then, or they can just do multiple commercial buildings and have a ton of parking. I think that's it. And if they don't take it, that's what we're gonna do. So I think we'll see if it pencils.
We got plans.
Yep.
Sweet.
All right, ready to go see some garages?
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
And you know what? Since Mark doesn't have a garage for his cars in town, we're gonna let him tour you through the garages.
Oh,
sweet.
Because this is your dream,
They
right?
need to go through this way though.
We have to do
Oh
it.
really? Oh, they connect?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
sweet.
we gotta go
Nothing
back
Nothing but the
in.
best.
Oh,
So you can see how generous Vinny is. This is what he's going to give me to put my cars.
oh.
Oh. What is?
You know what's so funny though? Miller, this could be a great opportunity for you to transition and connect the channels. Because if you want to utilize some of these, we gotta figure out how to clean it up.
Yeah. I'll make a project.
Talk about content.
Absolutely.
Just saying. And how cool is this? Because you have access to all the bays.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look how deep that goes.
Oh yeah, it's super deep.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Thanks,
We will donate
Thanks,
this
guys.
broom to you. We will donate the broom.
Here, I'll tell you what. I'll do the first signature
There you
sweep.
go.
There you go. Hey, look, it cleans up well.
Sweet.
Oh, am I gonna be cursed from the cauldron?
Oh my.
Oh wow, there's holes to the outside. Hey, you have climate, uncontrolled.
Climate uncontrolled. What in the world?
Please tell me this is out of a hearse. I don't know what that is. What is that? That's not where the giant cauldron of burning.
Go in it, Mark.
bodies is it?
Go in it.
All right.
This may
Hey,
require
Mark,
lights.
I mean, you wanted to lead the garage tour, so just saying, lead the way. We better not do
Well,
that.
I think we just need to take a sledgehammer.
I'm not sure if he's still sleeping back there, but looks like somebody was.
Welcome to real estate. So, I don't know what just happened, but that was interesting experience. I'm surprised none of my team hid behind corners and tried to scare the hell out of me.
Yeah.
But it was very, yeah, I've never bought a funeral home. So thanks for joining us, checking this out. We will keep the progress going on this for you guys in the future, especially when we tear it down. Yeah, what's up? And then that's my partner and my mom leaving. So anyway, hey, thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.